What's up, guys? Reese Cognic here, and look what we got here. Some fidget spinners. I spent over $30 on these fidgets to make a video on them. So to start off, my mom's gonna be filming me.
Oh.
So film me and my fidget spinners at the same time. So we're gonna unbox this. I haven't unboxed it yet. I see it's pretty small compared to my hand. So let's get a spin on it. It's actually really smooth and it's really nice. And it feels really nice in my hand. Easy to flick with my ring finger. It's really nice. So that's that fidget spinner. Now, the other one, I have actually already unboxed it to see if it was okay. But, film that. So, it comes in this nice tin. I could open it. And it's got the little foam padding. This one also feels comfortable, a little noisier, but it doesn't matter. It also feels nice when I flick it. It gets going pretty fast. And yeah. So if you could like this video and comment, that'd be great, and try and like enough to get me my money back for this video. $37 for these two fidgets? Are you kidding me? Well, that's it for this video, guys. Make sure you subscribe too. And can I get a shout out to Dylan Nowalski for
towards Napoleon.
Showing me these fidgets. Well, he hasn't done this fidget spinner unboxing yet, but I did anyway, so he did this one.
Right here.
But yeah, that's what I want you guys to like this video for, and maybe I'll buy some more for a giveaway. So that'll be it. Peace out.